If you want to serve up something sweet other than just candy this year for Halloween, we got 3 fun ways to do it, thanks to our partners at Better Homes and Gardens.
Now be warned, these frightfully delicious milkshakes may disappear faster than the candy.
Milkshakes galore. Here's how to make the Francoccino, the Frapula, and the Hallowitch shake. For any of these recipes, start with a blender, a cup of ice, 3/4 cups of milk, and half a cup of sugar. For the Frapula, add a half teaspoon of vanilla and blend it up. For the Francoccino, add peppermint extract, vanilla, and 6 to 8 drops of green food coloring and blend it up. For the Hallowitch, add frozen blackberries, then 1 to 2 drops of red food coloring, 1 to 2 drops of blue food coloring. Blend it up to get a nice purple color. Then, drizzle the sides of a tall glass with jam. Fill with the milk mixture and top with whipped cream. Sprinkle with sugar. For the Francoccino, drizzle a tall glass with chocolate syrup. Fill with the milk mixture, top with chocolate whipped cream, and, of course, chocolate sprinkles for a nice crunch. And finally, for the Frapula, drizzle just one side of a tall glass with chocolate to mimic a cape. Fill with the milk mixture. Top with whipped cream and 2 drops of strawberry syrup, like bite marks. And these creepy milkshakes will definitely get you in the Halloween spirit.
Well, Bill, the best part about the Fracula is the chocolate just oozing.
Yeah,
off the side.
exactly.
That looks so good. So estimated prep time is just about 15 minutes, so you can easily whip these up for yourself, your family, or your friends, or even those Halloween party guests.
I'm tempted just to whip those up for
like
myself.
every day?
Oh yeah, that too, and every day, yeah. So very fun tips from our friends that are over at Better Homes and Gardens.